Hey beautiful babes, I'm Sweet Angel and welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. Today I've got something really special for you, a luxurious all-natural butter cream that works wonders for your skin and your hair. Yes honey, one product, two amazing uses. Now y'all know cocoa butter is famous for helping in fading scars, and softening stretch marks, and deeply moisturizing the skin. And when you pair it with raw African shea butter, baby, that's a couple right there. We're talking about elasticity, nourishment, and protection even for the driest skin. And to keep it silky smooth and lightweight, I'm adding grapeseed oil packed with vitamin E. It soaks right in without that heavy, greasy feel. Here's how we put it all together. Melt your cocoa butter and shea butter down. Stir in grapeseed oil. Let it cool a bit. Then whip it up until it's creamy and fluffy. Add vitamin E oil, and if you want, a few drops of your favorite essential oil. I don't usually add it to this because let me tell you, I use this on my granddaughter's hair and I don't like to use essential oils when I'm using it on little ones. Now, this has sat for a while, but look at this texture, y'all. Smooth, whipped, and absolutely heavenly. This is perfect for massaging into your neck, your décolletage, or anywhere that needs some TLC. You'll notice those fine lines look softer and your skin stays moisturized all day. And yes, the best part, yes, I did mention I use this on my granddaughter's hair. Yes, it does double as a hair butter. Use a pea-sized amount on damp hair to seal in moisture, define twists or curls, and smooth those ends. Instant shine, instant nourishment. So whether it's your skin or your hair, this little jar of goodness has got you covered. Try it and let me know how much you love it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty secrets right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Until next time, stay beautiful.
Sunrise paints the sky with shades of gold. Coffee cup in hand, stories yet untold. The same old streets, but I'm feeling new. Walking through the rhythm of a life I knew. Sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but I keep on moving through the dark and bright. It's just another day in my life, trying to find the love, trying to find the light. With every breath, every step I take, I'm learning more about the dreams I made. Oh, it's just another day, but I'm grateful anyway.